Introduce?
There.
Yeah,
Hi, my name is ddra. This is Crysstal, and Cavin, Mala. We're gonna sing "I'm Yours" from Jason Ryan.
hit it, Calvin.
Go, Cavin.
You already hit it.
What have you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted.
Fell right through the crack.
And now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time is wrong. This is our fate. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me.
Open up your hands and damn, you're free. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved.
Love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing.
All our people melody. It's our God-forsaken right to be
Love,
loved.
love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. No need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm sure.
Woo!
Hey, I'm leaving that.
Can I play?